Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 chip that I got today for college because I will be going to college in the fall and you do need a really good computer that will last long, that's good quality, so I decided to pick up this computer. Unbox it for you guys right now. I also got this little Tech 21 transparent case for my MacBook. That way if it does fall, it does not break and crack because I'm going to be taking this computer everywhere I go, so. Alright guys, so here is the computer itself. As you can see, looks nice and sleek. The box says MacBook Pro obviously, and then on the back you just have all the little details. So I got the 8 gigabytes of unified memory and the 256 gigabytes of SSD. So again, has the M2 chip, which is like the new chip I guess for all the computers. Alright, here we go. Oh, that wasn't that satisfying, but you get the point. All right, time to do a little review. Voila! Ooh, here's the computer. I can set this aside for a second. The little charger. I think this is USB-C. Then we have the little information booklet, and then your little block, and this is gigantic, so I'm gonna have to find a way to fit this because oh my god, I think this is like 20 watts. I'm not really sure, maybe it's 60. I don't really know much about Apple computers, and we're gonna look at the beauty itself, the MacBook Pro. Ooh, the way like you could feel it open. Ooh, the noise. Do you guys hear that? Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at the little touch bar. That's cool. Hello. English, country, United States.
What's more?
Oh, Wi-Fi network.
No, this one.
Apple ID. Okay, so now we're just setting up the iCloud account, and I'll get back to you guys after. Also, look at this like nice keyboard. I love how it lights up. Okay, so now we're setting up Touch ID, which is very cool because I haven't had Touch ID since the iPhone 7, so I'm gonna use my right pointer finger. Is my MacBook Pro 13-inch decorated, so I put some stickers on it that I got from my college onto the case because I'm not going to put them directly on the MacBook just because I don't want it to get ruined, you know. So, and just a little piece of advice, I do recommend going to the Apple Store right now if you are a college student, just because there is a college education discount. I think it's around like $100 off, and if you do pick up one of these computers, you do get a $150 Apple gift card, which you can use to purchase something like a case. So I do recommend going now.